So, because people tried to say, you know, all this different stuff about what it was or wasn't, but these things were self-luminous. You could see them in that last bit of footage. So you've got 4 types of footage, one being radar. You've got all these witnesses that have testified or talked to me about it. And George, I mean, at this point, dozens and dozens and dozens of people. This was not an isolated incident. It's just the one that somehow we obtained a ton of footage of. These swarms were happening a ton. 4 or 5, maybe 6 cases that have been reported to me about this. But why this was so important, because we could provide the public with actual physical data, proof, visual evidence of it. And it was inside these government investigations. We put out a couple slides to show their analysis of it. The coup de grace for me was people said that it was the Bass Strait cargo ship that was like launching these. By the way, they're about, maybe 10 feet like that. You can tell the profile of it. They weren't small.
Right.
So people said, and even on Wikipedia, it still says the Bass Strait cargo ship. It was a Chinese ship, it was launching things. Okay, well, Bass Strait was boarded the second it got into Long Beach. And by the way, the ballet was still going on when Bass Strait was in port. People forget that. And I know some of the agents that boarded the ship. They found nothing. And here's the coup de grace. I found the one sailor whose only job during that event was to watch the Bass Strait through all the visuals to make sure it wasn't launching or landing anything. And he came on weaponized by voice and told he wishes that he could report to us that we knew who was launching those. And he couldn't because they weren't coming off of the Bass Strait. But if you go to Wikipedia, I believe it still says
probably.
Yeah, it's total propaganda bullshit.
Of course.
Yeah. So because they don't know where they were coming from. They were coming from the west. There's nothing over there but Hawaii, man. What were they launching off of? Where were they landing? If they're these autonomous, where were they landing?
There's nothing there.
There's nothing there. So somebody's got a pretty cool technology that can do and perform in just fun ways. And
it's not China.
So many resources were spent on figuring out. So it's not China, it's not Russia, and unfortunately, it's not us.
Mm-hmm.